Hi guys, good evening. Maswara say. A said event right here in Zimbabwe. According to Councillor Danford Ngazuore, he says Makorokoza Zimbabwe muri kuda kuedza kuita sei. This is a very important question which is being asked. So if you can take a look onto this picture, let me zoom. Okay, I hope that I will be able to. Which means this is an activity which happened one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, more than 10, which are right in this picture. And this road is completely inaccessible because of these channels. So this is the culture we now have in the nation of Zimbabwe. Bakari stipend. Did he manage to report, or he was held hostage up until sebasa pa guys? Petrova gomba segomba. It's not easy, guys. Those detectives and they vanish, and probably they do it in the midst of the night. So sometimes vanogona kunge vakaita ablockade kure uko neuko moudzwa kuti ano kune bridge rakatobvaruka riri kuseruko, and everyone will be diverting routes. These are possible things which might happen also, because the major question is, yes, vakazviita usiku, but where was the police? Where was the public? Were cars not driving through this area during that particular period? So this is one of the reasons why we say gold mafia, team gold mafia, is become a menace in this country, because anything can happen. That is the reason why you saw that school in Kwekwe which collapsed again. Vaitorova pasi vachitorwa sando nechiziri pasi pechikoro kusvika vachawira vachitora mari. This is the culture, this is how they behave. So chavanokoshesa kutora mari, they do not do it in a better way. Personally, I would want to see, okay, dai vakauya vakatora mari, after that vosiya vavhara repair road perfectly, but they always do this vachisiya makomba avo vachienda vosiya that is what is happening countrywide. Kwese kwangoputika mari, kungosvika vochera makomba votora mari vosiya zvakadaro. They don't even care about environmental management. They don't even care about that. What is the reason is the major question. Personally, I believe that is because of poor governance, poor policy direction, and political manipulation. When politics is leading everything, then it becomes a problem, because at times politics must not interfere where there is need to bring lawful or to end lawlessness. So you see, the police will be trying to end lawlessness, and they will become victims, because these people are usually politically connected. But those are serious. Digging up the country like a family of moles in your backyard. Zviri kuitwa newe nevamwe vako maland baron. Okay, zvanzi id ndiye sponsor wamakorokoza namuda mbere nguva yose yava yaidi. Okay, zvikanzi siyai vene vavake nyika, zvikanzi this is bad sekurudhene, zvikanzi how can one justify destroying a valuable asset like a road on the pursuit of wealth? This kind of mismanagement of infrastructure carries unfortunate consequences. God cannot be happy of this world. Zvikanzi nyika inovakwa nevene vayo, inopunzwa nevarungu. Okay. Zvikanzi handivakorokoza ndevagaru here, zvikanzi kurarama chaiko zvinhu zvakaoma, zvikanzi kutsvaga keshi nyika iri kuremai. So this is what is happening in Zimbabwe. In the comment section, please tell us, what do you think with this kind of behavior? Hanzi vari kutumwa nagarwe, hakuna chakanaka kuita, kukokota nyika, kusakadza hake nemhuri yake. Okay, so thank you very much, for this valuable contribution. I don't know, guys, let us look in the comment section. What do you think? Can we let these things continue to happen as we watch? This shows that we need new leadership in Zimbabwe. We need a recycle, complete system overall, because if we don't, then we are in trouble. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for the support and the contributions. Please keep on subscribing, commenting, and sharing.